If this is your first time here, my name is Jared. I'll be your Sunny trainer for today's workout. We have a huge library of cardio and strength workouts, and we release new workouts every week, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to stay up to date with our new releases. With today's quick 10-minute stepper workout, we're going to be doing intervals on top of the stepper, really bringing in great variety in our short amount of time, and we'll finish up today with some awesome gut-busting abdominal training. Let's get started. We're going to begin right now. I want you to begin with your hands by your sides, softness in your knees, chin down at your chest. Now you're going to follow me as I sweep my head over to the right, bringing my right ear towards my right shoulder. I want to feel a stretch just moving down the left side of my neck. It should go just behind my ear, finishing into the top of my shoulder. And then as my chin comes back to my chest, I'm going to sweep over to the other side. Same thing, you just want to feel that length open up in the opposite side of your neck. Let's keep going. We'll do each side a few times. If you're doing this and you're not really feeling the stretch, what I would encourage you to do is just look up and slightly tip your chin up. I really mean that, slightly bring the chin up. That's gonna open the extension in your neck a little bit more, and you should feel that. Last one on each side. Good, and switch. And I love these neck rolls because for most of us, this is where we hold on to our stress and tension. So if we can open this up a little bit, it's gonna do us a big favor in our workout. Let's do some shoulder rolls next. What I want you to do is see if you can fully extend your arms. Try not to bend your elbows, don't get here. And as you fully extend your arms, give me big, controlled, circular rotations. Good, reverse it, send it the other way. Good, here's another area where we often hold our stress. So if this feels cracky and cricky, you get a lot of feedback, don't worry. That's super normal. Start to shake out with me. Get a little bit of movement going on in your legs. There you go. And then we're gonna rotate for 10 more seconds because we're getting ready to jump on our mini stepper together, and we're gonna dive right into our first interval. In 3, let's start to walk over. In 2, and in 1. Let's safely step up. All right, and when you're ready, join me. Let's start to move. So again, this is a quick workout that you're joining me for today. And what we're gonna be doing is diving into a sequence where we're gonna go slower. I'd call this sort of a moderate tempo for a full minute. At the end of that minute, we're gonna start to pick up our pace. So we'll then go 40 seconds of a little bit of a pace bring up. We should get a little breathy. Should feel like we're working a bit. And then for the last 20 seconds of that minute, we're gonna do a sprint. And we're gonna do 3 rounds of that. Okay, so right now you can actually count this part as a little bit of a continued warm up. So you can see I'm going nice and slow. 10 seconds before we dive in. Good idea to just get your breathing into a little bit of a rhythm as well. 3, 2, 1, let's pick up our pace. So we went from moderate / slow, and now we're building our pace into something that kind of feels like we're working a little bit. It's not a sprint yet, but we're just bringing in a little bit of strength and some pace. Notice my arms get moved and get used a little bit more. I'm actually driving my heel downward into each of my steps. That's gonna really provoke a nice power response out of my body. And we got 10 seconds before we go into an all-out sprint, okay? So keep it at that same 5, 6 out of 10. And in 3, 2, 1, let's pick up our pace and let's go into our first fast, hard sprint. Let's go. Bring some speed, bring some energy here. Chest up, drive down strong. Just 5 more seconds. Come on, stay with me here. 3, 2, 1. All right, that is our first round. So we're gonna go 1 minute. Whew. Where we're gonna go back at the top of our intervals. And for this minute, we're back at our slower, moderate pace. And you could even use this time to recover some of your air. Catch your breath. If you felt your quads start to sing a little bit of opera, or you felt maybe your abs or your calves start to light up. Those are really great pieces of feedback that our body gives us, and that lets us know that we're doing some good work. I definitely felt that in my quads. Second round, we are in it to win it today in our 10-minute mini stepper workout. In just 10 seconds time, we're gonna take this slow pace and we're gonna ramp it up. Again, we wanna try to find about a 5 or a 6 out of 10 on our own scale, okay? So right now I'm about a 3. All right, here we go. Let's bring it up. So we got 40 seconds. Bring in some pace. I like about a 6 out of 10. I think that feels good in my body. You could definitely do more than this. You could go harder than this if you wanted to. Good job. And anytime I'm in my workout, I will often remind myself of what 1 or 2 of my specific goals are, right? Why am I here exactly? And what am I hoping to achieve by being here? So keep your goals in mind. We're getting ready to turn it up into a sprint. Let's go. 20 seconds, we're gonna go hard. Push hard, push hard. I'm gonna drop in a little bit, bend my knees a little more. That keeps me balanced. Chest up. Good breathing. Less than 10 seconds, let's push. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1, and slow it down. Good job. Whew. And again, I felt that. Really good job here, okay? So we're back to the top of a new round in our 3rd round. And we're back at that slower, moderate pace where we can catch our breath. Whether the goal specifically is to improve your balance or your overall stability, which is a great goal to have when you're using the mini stepper. Maybe your goal is to lose some pounds, or perhaps your goal is to just get stronger. And you have your reasons why you need more strength. Whatever that goal is, keep that working front of mind, okay? That will be your reason. That's gonna be your propel, your motivation to do good work. Get ready. We're gonna turn it up. We want a 5 or a 6 on our intensity scale. Let's go. Your minute of slow pace is done. And now we're at that moderate pace. This is about a 6 for me. Of those goal examples I just gave, I think my goals are kind of all of those. But specifically for me, I wanna see myself be as consistent as I can. That's one of my goals, consistency. And the other goal for me is strength. I definitely want to get stronger over time. We got 5 seconds. We're going into our last sprint. Here we go in 2, in 1, and then let's go. Let's finish this strong. Come on, push hard. Make this your best sprint of our workout so far. Let's go. Less than 10 seconds. Keep your abs braced. 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, terrific job. So safely start to step down. That was awesome. And we're gonna be coming down onto the mat together on our back. We're gonna get straight into our abs work, and we're starting with crunches. We're gonna do just 10 repetitions. So feet planted onto the floor. Elbows wide, hands are behind your head. Let's crunch. 1, 2. When I crunch up, I want to keep my elbows wide. My chest is exposed, that's really important. 3 left. And I'm crunching the rib to the hip. 1 more. And rest. Good job. Legs together. I want you to twist and turn onto your right hip. So once you get onto your right hip, your shoulders should remain flat onto your mat space, and we're gonna crunch straight up and down. Let's go. 1, 2, find your rib cage. 3, pull the rib to the hip. 4, don't pull your head. 5, pull your ribs. 6, you got it. 7, 3 to go. Beautiful, switch sides. We're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, chest open, elbows wide, let's go. Last 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Final exercise right here. Flat on your back, legs at tabletop. Crunch your shoulders up. Follow me as I tap my heels down to the floor and pull my knees in towards my chin. Here's our grand finale. I want you to try to pull your knees in and lift your hips off the mat. You'll breathe out each time your knees come in. Last 3. Here's 2. Finish. Yes. Whew. Great job. Thank you so much for working out with me today. If you like this workout, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to stay updated on all the new workouts every week. Feel free to leave a comment, let us know how you did. And if you want to see more workout videos like this one, let us know too.
Hey everyone, if you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There you'll find many more classes from me. I teach trampoline cardio, dance cardio, cardio kickboxing, plus many more from all the SunnyFit trainers. If you haven't yet downloaded the SunnyFit app, click the link in the description below and we'll see you there.